We'd be complaining about too much sun. Well, we had a nice time at Musclepalooza, and it was raining all last night, but the sun's out again. So what I'm going to show you in this brief video, and I have the other video that only posted half of 52 seconds of or a minute and 52 of 327, 2/3 of it. Check out this window. This is the window I just removed from the K5 Blazer I drove back from San Francisco Salinas, next to the Starbucks. It was a replaced piece of glass, you can tell, because the goopy was really ooky, and it wouldn't close properly, and there was no latch on it. So I tried to install a latch at the junkyard in Colorado at Dwayne's Junkyard, 12975 Log Road, and it wouldn't work. It wouldn't close. The latch mechanism, I've got a few extras, was hitting the window frame. Well, we figured out why. Check this out. This is a soft ray safety flow light solid tempered DOT. Whatever you call it, the hole's in the wrong spot. Look at this. This is where the hole shouldn't be. This is where the hole should be. And you can't do anything with tempered glass because it's tempered. They put a surface coating on it so that if it breaks, it shatters into small pieces, so it shouldn't injure you. Unlike windshields of all cars, and the Suburban side windows are laminated. They have plastic in between. But anyways, I took this thing out at great effort, and I fixed the power door lock on the driver's door, and I fixed a wire that was short-circuiting, and the battery was dead this morning. So I'm going to put all this together right now, all these little pieces. I had to drill a rivet here. There's a little rivet that Dwayne said was hardened, but it drilled pretty easy. I'll just replace it with a screw and a self-locking nylock, or a steel one or something. So I'm working on this thing. I should be working on the apartment upstairs over there, but it's just too nice outside. I've got parts scattered everywhere. Nuts, bolts, springs, and little special washers. And where's the rivet? Who knows if this whole video will post. I'm going to watch the other video and tell you what was in it. Here's the rivet that I drilled from the pivot point on top. So we'll put it all back together, and we're going to get this thing ready to sell. So I'll get all the quirks worked out of it. If you want a K5 Blazer, if you live in Arizona, I need some help with a title on this Mercedes. Somebody's got to go to an Arizona motor vehicle. I don't want to mail the title in. It's torn and scotch taped. They consider it altered. Anybody in Arizona want to help? Help!